Hi everyone, welcome to Techies Hobbies. So here I have kept three watches. So you can see that all are from different brands and all look also different. But what is common between these three watches? These three watches are Quartz Chronograph watches. So it's very common complication that comes in Quartz variants. Especially there are automatics also with chronograph, but they are like really expensive. But with the Quartz variants, they opt for chronograph to give make the dial look busy, although it is not a very functional or something that we use often. But all these watches do come with chronograph functionality. But let me show you something here. You can see this small dial is the chronograph. If I click here, it starts the seconds, and there is a minute which we will not use now. And when I click stop, the chronograph stops, and when I reset, it resets. But do you see something odd here, that it doesn't reset exactly on the zero, but point before that. So I will show you this watch now. So this again has this same problem. When you click on start, it starts correctly, and stop, reset, it again resets even worse than the previous watch. It goes three points before. And let's see this one here. It starts all right, stop, reset. So you can see that this actually has the big second hand which starts in the chronograph, and when I stop it and resets, it resets here and not here. So this is a major flaw in the watch on how it looks, especially if the chronograph is a big second dial, it is supposed to sit straight. And in other watches also, you can those who are peculiar about this functionality will want it to reset to zero and not before or after that. So this is something that we are going to try to fix, and let's see if it is possible to fix this or not. And I'm trying to do this without opening the watch. So one method which I noticed is that you pull the crown so that we can reset the time, and then click on this once, twice, twice. So you can see that it is going back on clicking. See this, it's going back. So click till it goes to the 60 or 0 starting position. Keep clicking till it goes there, and once we are close, we have to be more careful with how it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, just one more. Okay, now it's perfectly at the 0, right? Now start again, and we will see if this has worked in our favor or not. Start the chronograph, it starts, stop it, reset. Perfect. So this watch is fixed. It was an easy fix wherein I could just reset it like that. And now let's go ahead with the big second hand. Now again the same technique. Pull out the hand so that the time can be adjusted, and then click on this. So here this is moving forward, so it's easier for us. And one more. So I think this looks like it's in 60 now. Now let's see if it works. Start the chronograph. Stop it. Reset. Perfect. So this is also fixed. Now let's check the diesel, wherein it's pull out the crown so that the time can be adjusted, and now one click is all that's needed to reset this to 60. And now let's start the chronograph. Stop the chronograph and reset. It's done. So this is an easy fix for those who are not aware on how to do this reset. It's something that is easy to do, and you don't need to take it to any watch mechanic or anybody to get this fixed. It can be easily reset with the watch, and there is nothing wrong with your watch if it doesn't reset to 0. So please keep that in mind and make sure that you can do it yourself and keep your watch in perfect condition, and that this functionality, it's not a shortcoming. It's just that it got the 0 position got reset to some other position, but this can be easily fixed this way. So I hope you guys like my video. If you do, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.